How to change your system navigation mode, whether it's using the buttons or the full display swipe gestures. This is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone with HyperOS 2. And of course, if you have the Note 14 phone with HyperOS 2, here is where you can go to find these settings. The fastest way to these settings is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen until you get this here. Then you'll see settings to the bottom right. Tap on that one time. And I want you to go to where it says More. Now you're in the More section. That'll take you to the main home screen settings. And simply just go down until you reach the bottom area where you will see System Navigation. So usually at default, it will be set to the buttons, which is the option on your right. And with the buttons here, you have the mirror option here, which will mirror your back and recents mode here. You also have access to the button shortcuts, which each of these functions will grant you access to a specific feature or function, all right? That's only when you have the navigation buttons. And also automatically disable navigation buttons, and that's going to give you this here with all the apps so that you won't see the navigation buttons when you're not using them in a specific app. Now, if you want the full display swipe gestures, you'll simply switch over to this one here, and they will prompt you to either learn it if you're new to all this. And let's just quickly go through this here. So we see all of these here, and let's go ahead and learn it there, okay? So they're gonna show you an example here, and you can skip this part of the video if you don't want to. It's just gonna give you a preview and animation as to how this works, okay? So swiping up and holding will give you the recents view mode, and then we got the back, which is swiping from left to right or opposite or vice versa, all right? And that's basically it for the gestures. There are a few more here that you can navigate and see for yourself. So while in the gestures mode here, just go down a little bit some more, and you have the option to hide that indicator here. Also gesture confirmation. So this is gonna be great for those of us who are playing games to avoid doing the other gestures we don't want. And if you go down here, there are some more gestures that weren't shown in the part where you learn how to do the swipe gestures, okay? And that is that, my friends. You can change these at any given time, like and sub.